for Alex. From Marin. Alright, gonna write a letter, What? The pen isn't working. Why isn't this working? It was working 5 minutes ago. Whatever, I'll just grab another pen. Here we go. Another pen. Gonna write a letter, Here we go. Oh, the stupid pen isn't working. What is going on here? Whatever. Okay. I'll just grab another pen. Here we go. Third time's the charm. This pen is going to work. Here we go. Dear Alex, I am writing to let you know that not a stupid pen in this entire house works. This is miserable. Okay, Sharpie, here we go. Gonna work. It's a marker. Here we go. Dear Alex. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Dear Alex, I'm just writing to you to tell you how cool, no, too weak, how magnificent, that'll work, magnificent, not strong enough. Here we go. How magnanimous. Too dumb. How spectacular. That's a good word. Spectacular. And that's pretty dumb too. How fantastical. Fantastic. Dumb as well. Words cannot describe you, so I will make one up, parentheses. How about magnascular, a combination of magnificent, magnanimous, spectacular, and fantastic. You rock. Love. Marin. Yeah, okay. Wait a minute. Magnascular? Sounds like they're calling me masculine. That's just wrong. I'm gonna do it right this time. Do it right. Here we go. Gonna be the perfect letter to Alex. Here we go. Dear Alex. Okay, here we go. Dear Alex. You rock. Exclamation point, underline. Love, Marin. Perfect. I'll just add some stars and it will be the best letter ever. That's perfect. Dear Alex, you rock.